CS Cheluli has talked about the credit score coming from Hustler Fund. The other day, I had a meeting with the World Bank. And the World Bank made a request for me. It was surprising. And they told me, is there any way you guys, and they sent me to CS Chelugui and the president, can share the credit score coming from Hustler Fund to be the universal score of everybody in the country, including commercial bank, because it's the fairest, it's the cleanest. Everybody, even those people who are in CLB, were given a fresh chance to start from zero, and to a point where by World Bank, no less than World Bank is saying now, because now we have repaired, people have, what I always say, that every sinner has a future and every angel has a past, that we give everybody a new beginning and a new chance. And because in 8 short months, we have now managed to come up with a score which World Bank now want to say, for any lending we want to do in Kenya, we can now use this score. The same score that we are now going to use to ensure that this single digit on the Hustler Fund is the same one we're giving to our border people. For our electric bikes, people who are used to paying 60% more, that they can now repay, zero deposit, single digit, and with social health insurance from my sister Susan, all embedded there. And you say we are not working?
Nobody has said you're not working, Waziri.
Yeah, maybe to conclude that, Sam.
Waziri, just hold on. Allow us to cross over to another studio because we want to deal with the twin issues about health and the Hustler Fund. And that is in the expert studio with Ayub Abdikadio.
One government approach.
Thanks, Sam. Thanks, Nimrod.